Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Texas Decor and More. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be tackling probably both bathrooms, and I'm going to be cleaning the inside of my refrigerator out for sure. So let me show y'all something in the bathroom. It really needs to be done because I haven't done it in a while. So let me show y'all. Okay, got the light turned on. So, see the sink? Stuff all up in this sink. I hate that. I don't know if y'all can see that. The little hairs and stuff. That drives me crazy. This trash needs to be taken out. The floor needs to be swept and mopped. And I don't even know what the hell all this is about. But that right there, yeah, it's getting cleaned up. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'll be cleaning all that up. So we're just gonna get started with this motivational cleaning video. And if y'all would like to clean with me, that would be really great. We could just get motivated together.
swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could. Swear that I'm fainting, I think I'm losing my sight, I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter, I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda.
So, okay everybody, this concludes this portion of the video. I'm probably going to have to do a part 2 because I don't have that much storage, but this is the after. The floor's been mopped. I didn't film it. I was hot, y'all. I'm hot. I'm sweating. I've been cleaning for like the last 2 hours. I know I speed it up, but it takes me a lot longer. So this concludes this portion of the video. 1 bathroom down, 1 more to go. So stay tuned for more cleaning motivation.